How's it going? I have some footage to share with you of some cars, so stay tuned. So this is an event that I went to, a very small town type of event, about 15 cars, not a huge turnout. This is in Butner, North Carolina, Lake Holt Marina. Every now and then when you go to an event like that, you find a car or two that is quite special and it makes the whole thing worth it, and I think we did that this time. There's a couple cars. Take note of the white Mark V Supra that's in there. I know the owner, we've known him for a long time. He's a great guy. He wants to do something else on the channel with that car in the future, a little up close and personal. We'll check it out, you know, so look forward to that. Also, the Chevrolet pickup truck, it's a it's a custom truck, very awesome. The roll pans, seamless with the body. That's metal, that's not fiberglass, guys. That car is very special, or truck rather, very special. And may not be your style, but dude, you gotta respect that build. Try to check out the detail. I don't know if I could even really do it justice with the camera. Do the best we can though. But anyway, without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the footage, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.